the Ecolo Cruise, specimen to the left here, your right, or GIO off-road, I think they call them, or on-road. Anyways, you'll see the GIOs. They look all the same. So this video is to show you the advancements of enclosed mobility scooters. These have been out since 2018, and then just last year, the Connect came out, the Nexa came out, this year the Enza. But the quality difference, the ride difference, the features is insane. Fit and finish, first and foremost, is so much more advanced, but handling and the suspension. That's double wishbone suspension. This is strut. Then they've progressively gotten a little bit wider as well. So the wider they are, the better handling you're gonna have. Safer, right? They're not gonna tip as much. And it's ugly. It's just not that refined. And so the interior, they didn't come with AC. They only came with handlebars. They haven't held up to the weather very well either. So you're probably wondering, well, why do I have one? This will probably be the last one we ever see. This was a used unit that we bought back from a customer. On the other side of that, this is gonna give a very affordable enclosed mobility scooter to somebody that wouldn't otherwise be able to have an enclosed. So although I'm kind of poo-pooing on it, the new ones are 10,000 plus with taxes and PDI and all that stuff. These ones were around 8,000, 7,000, and now this used one's going for 5. We put brand new batteries in it, about $1,500 worth of batteries. And so this is a very good option for somebody. But if you had your choice, I mean, you definitely would go with something that has power windows, power locks. Like these are roll up windows. This seat's nice and comfortable, but it is pretty mismatchy. You know, you've got your screw holes everywhere. This is just plastic. And you know, if you think about it, if these were 8,000 at the time and the new ones are around 10, the advancements are well worth the price difference. Like it's very justifiable why the new ones are the price that they are. Even the plastics are a better quality. And yeah, the new ones are prettier. There's no doubt about it. I wonder what'll come of these in the future too. But that's just your kind of side-by-side difference of kind of what they used to be. But again, these are still available to this day. I do steer away from them. Just the suspension alone is a really big deal. Like that's, and I'm not even putting effort into that. So lots of people have them, but we got some really nice advancements now. So I just want to do a video while I had this because I'm probably not going to have a cruise ever again. Thanks. Oh, I ran into it.